Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add diary and mind map to your course. Actually I added diary activity to my course to allow learners to share what they have learned, what challenges they face um, during the week, and every week they need to share their learning experience. And also I think it's good for them to practice English, and it's good for me to know what support I can provide for them. And I use Mindmap to allow learners to practice vocabulary. Let me show you how I've added diary and mind map. First, diary, edit setting. We need to give a name, and I ask 2 questions and they need to answer these 2 questions. So I can display description on course page. And availability, I don't want to enable open time and close time. It's up to you. If you want, you can edit all entries, no. Edit entry dates, no. And also here it's about its appearance, its color, its background color. And then we have setting for auto rating, for example type of countable items, penalty per item, and also we have setting for character count, word count, sentence count, paragraph count. And we have setting for common errors, penalty per error. I don't want to enable it. And rating, here I selected maximum rating and 100 and grade to pass 70. For common module settings, show on course page, include in course content download, restrict access. You can add restriction if you want. Activity completion, you can allow learners to manually mark the activity, and save and display. So it shows diary, and if I select view all course diaries, here view 1 diary entries, and it shows the participants with what they have shared. And also I can give my feedback, and also I can rate here, and then I can save all my feedback. And here we have first diary entries, last diary entries. It's about rating, lowest rated entries and highest rated entries. It's about diary. So let's go back here. And about mind map, let me show you. Again, you need to give a name, adjectives for example describing, and I asked them to add adjectives that they use for describing place and person. And again we have common module setting, restrict, you can add restriction, and you can again students can manually mark the activity as completed, and save and display. So this is adjectives for describing a place, but if I want them to add adjectives for example describing a person, let me show you here. So how if they want to edit, for example this one, they can edit. Or let me show you in another Mindmap. Add note. Here I can write person, save. I can change color, edit, for example red, maybe this one blue, save. And add note, okay, here for example save. And I can, oops, no, here, from here to here. And again, if I want to add another note here, for example confidence, and save. And we can add